Hey guys, Tamara here, and in today's video I'm going to be making over a side table for our balcony. The goal is to create a little space where we can be surrounded by greenery and just have a space where we can place our drinks and maybe read a book and have it functional yet really pretty. So this is the metal piece I'm working with. First thing I'm going to do is spray it black. I love this paint. It dries so quickly. It bonds to anything. The second thing we did, well, I didn't actually do, is my boyfriend drafted out two little circular tables. We measured out the size that we thought would look good, grabbed some sandpaper. He sanded down the edges just to get rid of that sort of rough look and just give it more of like a smooth, clean edge. From there, I also have a couple of little bamboo chairs I got years ago that have a bit of weather damage, but I'm not too concerned. I really like the whitewash look, so all I'm looking to do is just maybe add a little stain to kind of brighten it up. So a helpful little tool to make staining easier is I'm going to take some old fabric. I'm using a pillowcase. I cut it into 4 pieces. Then I bunched it up and I made little ghosts. Basically, it looked like little ghosts. Cut off the ends so it doesn't drip into your stain, and then you have like an excellent little tool for whatever you're staining. The first thing we're staining is those tabletops. Put 2 coats on and then I let it sit and dry overnight. The second thing that I wanted to put a coat of stain onto was those weathered bamboo chairs. Some people may not like the way it looks, but I love that distressed look, and I don't want to change it too much. I just want to put an extra coat on just to help against the weather. And then I realized I don't like the stain. It's just too yellow. I headed over to Home Depot and I picked up a whitewash stain. This is like a nice white matte. There's no shimmer, there's no shine. It's just gonna go on really kind of like chalky and muted. I should note too that I did sand off the original yellow stain. I didn't layer them on top. I ended up doing 2 coats, and you can see here on the right side I've got the stain, left side is the regular wood. Once everything was dry, the next day I started this fun part where you're assembling everything, kind of figuring out the layout. I played around with a few different areas and I figured out that was the best. Here I'm just using some of my old plants that have lasted me for the last couple of years. Little touches of greenery make such a huge impact. And you'll see this is the space we were working with before, and this is after. We've got places to sit, we've got a place to hold our drinks, or maybe if I want to sit and read a book. Now I should note that I do have cushions coming. I ordered them probably about a month ago, but due to everything that's happening, they are tied up in the mail systems. I'm not leaving them bare. Once those have arrived, if you like, I can do like an updated full tour. Alright guys, so that is it. And make sure to subscribe if you like this video. Give me a like, let me know in the comments. And I hope you guys have a great day. See you in my next video. Bye!